fellow Americans. Look, I happen to have a soft spot in my heart for rich white folk who recently suffered soul-crushing life defeats. So I'll give out one more shiny gift this year. It's some election advice for you, the Republican Party. And here it is. If you want to win elections, you have to give voters things. Specifically, things they want. Let me illustrate this point. Take the fringe voting bloc women. Me, equal pay in the workplace. You, philosophizing about legitimate rape. Me, choice. You, enforcing transvaginal ultrasounds, calling Sandra Fluke a slut. See what I'm getting at? Look, I supported the Lilly Ledbetter bill, and I don't even know what that bill does. But I do know that half the voting population supported it. Again, some people call that pandering. I call that not being an idiot.
I'm so in love with you.
You're welcome, lady. Now, consider our contrasting strategies with Latinos. You make their lives a living hell until they self-deport to Mexico. Me, support a bill named the DREAM Act. Again, don't even know what's in it, don't care, but every Latino supported it. So, Feliz Navidad. You, they're taking our jobs. Send them back to where they came from. Me, give them health care and benefits. Appeal to their hopes and aspirations. And still send them back. In record numbers. Gotcha, George. And then there's the youth. Sorry, GOP, it didn't matter what I gave them or you gave them. Willard Mitt could have promised to legalize pot and give every 20-something a 100 gig iPad. He still would have lost his demo. But for the record, me, smoked a bunch of dope in high school. You, Mormon, cut a gay dude's hair off at Cranbrook. Me, George Clooney, Jessica Alba, Eva Longoria, Beyonce, Jay-Z. You, Ted Nugent, and Lindsay Lohan. Me, student loan forgiveness, free birth control. You, get off my lawn. So, GOP, if you want to win an election, take my advice. And maybe find it in your heart to put a little something this year under the American people's Christmas tree, Hanukkah bush, Kwanzaa red fern, and or agnostic shrub. And one more thing. Osama bin Laden is dead. And General Motors is alive. Happy holidays and God bless America.